If you spend hours typing every day, you know how quickly discomfort can creep in. That's where the all-in-one ergonomic keyboard and mouse combo steps in, designed specifically to reduce hand pressure and help you type effortlessly and relaxed. This isn't just any keyboard set, it's built to support your wrists and hands for long-term comfort. The Ergonomic Split 3D curved keyboard is the heart of this combo. Its durable wave and curved full-size design feels natural under your fingers, while the split layout separates keys into two groups. This clever design minimizes the outward bending of your wrists, a common cause of strain during extended typing sessions. Beyond the split layout, the keyboard offers 12 multimedia and hotkey functions, plus a 4-way tilt-scrolling wheel right in the middle. This feature makes navigation smoother without breaking your flow. Plus, the one-piece design keeps everything neat and compact, so your desk stays organized. What really sets this keyboard apart is its slim, natural ergonomic design. The curved key tops follow the natural arch of your fingers, making each keystroke more comfortable. An integrated adjustable palm rest stand encourages a neutral wrist position, helping prevent carpal tunnel syndrome and repetitive strain injuries, RSI. Paired with the keyboard is a wired ergonomic vertical mouse. Its vertical design promotes a handshake position, which eases wrist twisting and reduces fatigue. The mouse features 5 buttons and adjustable DPI settings of 1000 or 1600, giving you precise control whether you're working or browsing. Both the keyboard and mouse come with 5 9-foot, 1.8-meter cables, providing ample reach to fit most desk setups without clutter. This combo is plug-and-play compatible with Windows 7, 8, and 10, so you can get started without fussing over drivers or complicated installations. The package includes everything you need: the keyboard, vertical mouse, an armrest, a movable magnet for height adjustment, and a manual. This thoughtful inclusion lets you customize your setup for maximum comfort and support, tailored to your workspace and posture. Many users highlight how this combo transforms their daily routine. Software developers and heavy typists especially appreciate the comfortable layout and the natural feel of the vertical mouse. While it might take a little time to adjust to the mouse's height, the overall reduction in wrist strain is worth it. If you're tired of wrist pain and fatigue after long hours at the keyboard, this ergonomic combo offers a practical solution. It's designed not just for comfort but for durability, so you get lasting support that holds up through busy workdays. The adjustable palm rest and split keyboard design work together to keep your wrists aligned and relaxed. This matters because poor wrist positioning can lead to long-term injuries that slow you down. With this combo, you're investing in your health as much as your productivity. The vertical mouse's 5-button setup adds convenience without cluttering your desk. Adjustable DPI settings let you switch between precise tasks and faster navigation effortlessly. Whether you're designing, coding, or just surfing, it adapts to your pace. Installation is straightforward thanks to the plug-and-play feature, no extra software needed. This makes it ideal for anyone who wants ergonomic benefits without the hassle. Just plug it in and start typing with less strain from day one. The armrest and movable magnet included in the package provide a customizable experience. You can tweak the height and angle to find your perfect fit, which helps maintain a natural posture throughout your workday. Small adjustments like these make a big difference in comfort. Durability is another key benefit. The keyboard's sturdy build and quality materials ensure it won't wear out quickly, even with heavy use. This means you're not just buying comfort, you're investing in a reliable tool that keeps up with your workload. This combo fits seamlessly into any home or office setup. Its slim profile and clean design won't take up extra space, and the ergonomic features blend in without drawing attention. It's a subtle upgrade that your hands will notice immediately. If you're ready to ease wrist pain and improve your typing experience, this ergonomic keyboard and vertical mouse combo is worth a look. It offers tangible benefits for anyone who spends significant time at their computer, from students to professionals. Try it when you're ready to give your hands the support they deserve. With its thoughtful design and user-friendly features, this combo makes it easier to stay comfortable and focused throughout your day. Ultimately, the all-in-one ergonomic combo delivers what matters most: reduced wrist strain, enhanced comfort, and reliable performance. It's a smart investment in your health and productivity that pays off every time you sit down to work.